Lesson 18, Session 4. Problem number 2 says the tally chart shows Zach's stickers. So let's look and see what we have in our graph. Here it says the color of stickers. So these are our color words down here, and these are our tally marks. Before we count our tally marks, let's just practice counting and making some tally marks. If you have your whiteboard, you can get your whiteboard out and do it with us. Remember, every time I write, I want you to write as well. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, close the gate. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, close the gate. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, close the gate. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, close the gate. 20. So when I see, and we can keep going on, we can count by fives like this. 5, 10, 15, 20. But sometimes that might just take a little bit longer than counting by groups of 10. So here I can count both groups of 5 and say 10, 20. Okay? So now that we've done our quick review of tally marks, it says the tally chart shows Zach's stickers. He has this many green stickers. So let's count them and trace them as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, close the gate. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, close the gate. 10, box it in or circle it. There's a group of 10. And there are 4 more. So 1 10 and 4 ones equals 14. Let's count that next group. So that was the green group. Now we're going to do the blue group. 1, 2, 3, 4, close the gate. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 and 4 more equals 9. So there were 9 blue stickers, 14 green stickers. And just looking at these tally marks, I can see that there are 2 groups of 5, which make a 10. So I can just circle it just like that. So here we have 1 10 and 1 1 equals 11. So it says, how many more green than blue? How many more than, how many less than, mean subtract, mean subtract. How many fewer, how many less, what's the difference, mean subtract. So how many more green than blue? So we're going to subtract 14 green minus 9 blue to find the answer. But remember, if you don't like to subtract, you do not have to subtract. If we can label our whole minus a part equals the part, we can rewrite our equations, right? So up here, I'm going to write my whole, the part I know, and the part I do not know. So my whole is 14. The part I know is 9. We know we can always count on from the part we know up to the whole, right? We can use a number line, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We can count on from the part we know up to the whole. So counting from 9 to 14 and seeing how many jumps there are. We could draw 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we could circle the part we know, which is 9. So 9, and the other part is everything else. 9 and 5. 5 has to be that other part. Let's see if there are 5 jumps here on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 jumps on the number line. So that's one way to do it. Okay? So 14 minus 9. I like to use the strategy of make it 10 to subtract. So if we have 14 minus 9 equals blank, I know that there are 4 extra ones in the 14, and I can take those out of the 9. So 4 plus what is 9? 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 minus 4, that zeroes that out. So 14 take away 4 is 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And our answer is 5. Same answer, different way to solve. Problem number 3. All children in Mr. Lee's class choose their favorite animal. Here's the favorite animal. Here's how many. Okay, so some children like horses, some like fish, and some like birds. 8 children liked horses, 9 children liked fish, and 3 liked birds. How many children choose fish or bird? Did they talk about horses at all? No. So how many children chose fish or bird? So there were 9 that chose fish. So I'm going to put 9 above the word fish. And 3 that chose bird. How many children chose those? We have to put those two groups together. So 9 plus 3 equals what? And just like I did before, I like to make number bonds. I have a whole here, a part, and a part. I know that I can put 9 as a part and 3 as a part. And I know that I can add the two parts together. A part plus a part equals the whole, right? So 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 equals blank. I can make a 10 to add to solve this problem. If I have 9, how many more do I need to get to the number 10? 9, 10. Oh, I only need 1. Okay, and 1 plus what? What is left over? If there were 3 there and I used 1, there are 2 here. So one group of 10 and 2 ones makes 12 as my answer. 12 children liked fish and birds. Problem number 4. How many children are in Mr. Lee's class? Well, how do we figure that out? It didn't say how many children were in the class. It said favorite animals and how many of the children liked each animal. How can I figure out a way to see how many kids are in the class if every single child votes? Oh, yeah, I can add all of the numbers together. I can add 8 plus 9 plus 3 equals blank. Ooh, I have a part plus a part plus a part is a whole. This plus tells me that 8 and 9 are parts. This plus tells me 9 and 3 are parts. And I'm looking for the whole. So I have 8 plus 9 plus 3. I know I could break apart 9 to make an addition double because 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are neighbor numbers, right? So 8 and 8, and I know my addition doubles. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Know what I mean? But I still have one more here, okay? So I did 8 plus 8, and I got 16. Now I have broke apart the 9 into 8 and 1. I have 1 plus 3. So 16 plus 4 equals 20. 20 children are in the class.